Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80246007 when downloading and installing Windows updates. It says some updates did not finish downloading. We'll keep trying, followed by that error code message 0x80246007. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select other troubleshooters on the right side. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and then the run button. So it says pending system changes that require a reboot have been detected. I'm going to select next. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And now open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.